Done with the powder. Now I'm gonna do this crazy Instagram reel transition. You actually thought I'm gonna do that? You. Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to share with you all my makeup routine, which is going to be beginner friendly because the kind of a pro I am, I can only offer the beginner advices, and I'm actually a legit makeup artist. And if you don't believe me, go and check out on my Instagram. You'll find some heavy makeup shit, and you can also judge by yourself because this is my face without the makeup, and after this video you'll see my face with my exceptional makeup skills, and you can find which one is uglier. So let's start with the routine. So I don't use the primer because I feel like they're for walls, not for your face. What a joke, how funny. So I use sunscreen, and I feel like the sunscreen does the work of the primer for me. So I use two sunscreen. I mix both of the sunscreen. So this one is Lotus, this is from India. This one is La Roche-Posay, this is from here. And I mix both of these because these are the only sunscreen which doesn't give me pimple. Otherwise everything else in life gives me pimple and constipation. And I'm literally putting this sunscreen at the 7 o'clock in the evening. Look at the kind of a YouTuber I am. So next step for the base, I'll put the foundation, which is this L'Oreal Infallible 24 Fresh Wear. This is the only foundation I've ever owned, and this is kind of like, I think, 2 or 2.5 years old, because at that time I was doing internship. I had money to buy makeup, and I know the makeup get expired, but I don't have money to buy the new one, and it's like hardly used. I think the bottle is like entirely full, so I can't help it. And I'm gonna mix this cream with my foundation because I don't like the feeling of too much of foundation on my face. And about this cream, I learned after coming here. I got to know that all of the runway models during the fashion weeks and everything, they mix this cream with their foundation to get the better light reflection and the better finish of the foundation. And I thought after getting this cream and applying it on my face, I'll become some Gigi Hadid and Kendall Jenner, but never mind. I still walk like I'm having herpes around my crotch area. So nothing is gonna help you. So I'm gonna take one pump of the foundation on my hand, just like professionals, and one tube of this cream. I feel like there's some fungus in this, or maybe it's just the metal rubbed off. I might have a severe allergy after this makeup tutorial, which we don't care about. Why are people calling me? Do they not know that I'm such a makeup artist and I'm filming my video? Applying and blending the foundation, I'm gonna use my finger because of kind of a pro I am. It's just not that I don't have brushes. I ordered last year 25 sets of brushes from Amazon, but I don't know how to use them. So we're gonna use our fingers. So now we're gonna blend, and we're gonna hit ourselves hard, because if my parents would have done this to me, I wouldn't have become this useless. And I feel like they kind of regret this thing also. So I'm gonna blend until I get tired, and I'm tired now. Let's move to the next step, which is concealer, and I'm gonna use this concealer, LA Girl Pro Conceal, and by the packaging of it you can see how old this is. So this is an American product and it's not available here in France, so I found a guy who sells the cheap American product and I got it from him. So this, I think, is like around 2 or 3 years old, and I haven't even finished this tube, so by that you can tell like how much of makeup expert I am. So we're gonna hide all of our pimples and the darkness, and we're gonna make ourselves a joker and conceal our dark circles. And because now we are having some old lady problem, this and now again you have to do the self-harm, hit yourself. So I'm done with the blending of my concealer, and you can see this concealer doesn't have any coverage. It can't even cover your last night mistake. Forget about life. So much disappointing. So now I'm gonna powder my face with MAC Studio Fix, and I don't do baking and all to my face because if I do, my face becomes cakey, and I only bake to make lasagna, not cake. I can't put a lot of powder to my face because my face is as dry as Sahara Desert, so I'm gonna put very light powder so that this fake face won't come off. So done with the powder, now I'm gonna do this crazy Instagram reel transition. You actually thought I'm gonna do that? You. Oof. It's alright, not broken. We can't afford it. So now let's move to the eyebrows, and I'm gonna fill my eyebrows and become
chin pyara pyara, a sexy lady. क्या तुम मेरे साथ कभी भी चलोगी?
So for filling my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette called W7, which I think is a very good knockoff of Urban Decay Naked, and the kind of a cheap who I am, I had to look for the knockoffs, and when I came here like around 4 years back, I bought this and it's working from then. And you can see how many gaps I have in my eyebrow. I apparently happen to have hair all over my body except the parts where I want, my head and my eyebrows. Do they both look same? As if I care. So I do the makeup and try to make it perfect till the time I get bored. So let's move to the next step, which is contouring. And as you can see from my face, I hardly need any contouring. I have such a chisel face.
Look at my jawline.
So for contouring, I'm going to use the same palette and the brown shade in here to do the contouring of my face. So this is me after 1 hour of contouring. So when you're blessed with shitty genes, nothing can help. Literally no amount of contouring can help you. So now I'm going to try to contour the sharpest nose on this planet. And my nose is as sharp as the knife I use to cut the meat. After contouring also, my nose looks like a freaking pakoda. So leave it, Kirti, nothing is gonna help. So let's move to the eyeshadow. I use this same palette and I'm gonna use the darker color on the outer side of my eye, lighter color on the inner side of my eye. That is it. And now I'm just gonna blend it. What is wrong with me? And the safety advice while doing this, don't poke your eye. Now I'm going to take very small brush and the lightest shade on this, which matches my skin color as a highlighter shade. I'm going to use a little bit of it and put it on my inner corner. So if you want to look like you've taken 5-6 shots of espresso and you're awake, put this in your inner corner. So now I'm going to do which I used to do in 4th grade when my crush started walking towards me, which is blush. And for the blush, I'm not going to use any blush. I'm going to use this lipstick by NYX called Saint Paulo. And I've never used this lipstick on my lips because it's so pink for my lips. So we're going to put this lipstick on our cheeks and make us look like we are in love. And again, slap harder because self-harm should never stop. Done with blush. So let's move to the next step because I want to finish this video as soon as possible because I don't know what am I making. So the next step is mascara, and this mascara is from Yves. So this brand Yves, I really like their body wash, body lotion and hand cream, so I frequently go there and they give a lot of free stuff, and this mascara was free from there and I love free stuff. And this also I'm using from past 2 to 3 years. This might have also expired, but I have like 2-3 spare mascara like which was their free gift, but I haven't opened them because this haven't finished. Why should I throw it when it's not finished? So let's start with the mascara. And now for highlighter, I'm using again this highlighting shade which I used on the inner corner of my eyes. Oh shit, I had a brush for the highlighter. Ugh. See, I have brushes but I don't know how to use them. Put some on your collarbone. For what? Nothing. Why am I looking so red after doing this makeup? I don't know. So now let's move to the last part, which is lipstick. So I don't usually use lipstick on my lips because they make it really dry and wrinkly, just like an old lady's face. No offense to any old person, I myself is old. So I use tinted lip balm from Maybelline Baby Lips on my lips. So this is in the shade Pink Lolita. And this is some cherry shade, but I don't know, I can't read the name because there's no name, it has rubbed off. This one I use during summer because it's a little lighter. This one I use during winter because it's a little darker, and right now it's summer and I'm still gonna use this one because the kind of a hypocrite person I am. So, have I broken this shit? Whatever. Another reason why I don't put lipstick on my lips, because whenever I go to buy lipstick, I always go and buy color like these, purple, grey and black. And whenever I put these lipstick on my lips, none of my family member, friends, anybody is ready to take me out. And I'm scared of being alone. So now finally my full face of makeup is done. And now I'll give you the privilege to enjoy the montage of this beautiful face. Enough. Free में इतना ही मिलेगा. If somebody is ready to pay me, I can put like for 1 hour of this montage. So now the makeup is done. Where I'm gonna go like this. So tomorrow I have my vaccination appointment. Maybe I'll sleep like this. It's anyways 8 in the evening. I'll sleep like this and tomorrow I'll go for vaccination like this. At least I have somewhere to go. I feel like I can rename this video as makeup routine by using the expired product because I'm actually worried now. I don't know what's gonna happen with my face. I feel like crying at this moment, but I can't even cry because my mascara will fall off because I don't think so anybody gives waterproof mascara in free. It is at this point I think I should end this video. I don't even know anymore why am I doing this. So I think this is it for the video, and if you like this beautiful transition and my beginner makeup routine, so like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.